This particular video is on deck engagement cable for the newer version of Craftsman, which is the style that has this handle that comes forward and clicks in like so, and then comes back similar to the new MTDs. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's a knockoff of the 90s MTD style. Now, if you have the older one, if yours is a machine like this and it has a deck engagement handle right here that comes up and into this, I do have a video for that. It's an older video. It'll be in the description below. Feel free to go check that out. But this video is about the type that the handle goes forward. Continuing with this video, there is a reason why it is that this particular style nobody likes to make a video on and nobody likes to do. And I have heard that many shops actually charge upwards of 2 hours to go and do this repair. Do I think it actually should take 2 hours? No. If you know what you're doing, really should be about a half an hour at most. The reason why nobody has a video on it is because the only way you can see where the cable actually goes is to have no motor and no gas tank. And in order to do this job, you will probably have to go and pull that gas tank. Now let's get in underneath here. Now I'm going to be holding the camera with my left hand and I will try to point out everything. So right here, this is your cable incoming. You're going to have a press clip here on both sides. It's a square inlet and it will pop right back out, but not before you undo this right here. Whoa, timeout. Timeout called on the play. This is a John Deere Dash out of a 100 series. Like almost everything, including the Craftsman that's in this video, it's an MTD product. But the difference is this one, I can flip over so that you guys can see exactly what we're talking about here. So the cable goes through here and it's pinned in right there. And all you do to release it is you pull this off, and this pin is going to try and run away on you. That goes in, that goes on, that goes like that. As far as this end is concerned, you pinch it with a pair of pliers and you push it out that way. Alright, back to your regularly scheduled video. Now, that cable is going to come through here. It's going to go straight down. You will probably have a kink right here in the cable, and they seem to go and cut through and seize up right in this spot. The other place that they will let go is down below. So we're going to go through this hole. I'm going to lift the machine up so that we can see the deck. Hi. The first in-house trick I want to show you is this. If we look right here, you can see that. And then there's another location here, and then a lock-in here. That's because there are 2 different lengths of cables over the years, and so Craftsman just finally decided to make the decks universal. Now, on the other end of this is a cotter pin. We're going to see if we can pull that out, which it's not going to do on camera. Oh, there it goes. Now, on the back side of that, if we give it a tug, we're going to pull it, and we're going to do that lift up routine. There we go. So there's our end piece right there. And then our spring goes through right in here. And the reason why I undid that was to show you you have to put the spring on first. So you lift up on the spring and then push it forward and down, and it comes off of there. Now we can see the hole. And now I'm going to try and do this while looking through this itty-bitty little camera screen in reverse. We're going to clip that on. We're going to put that down. And then we're going to grab this, and we're going to give it a yank and put it down through there and turn it and click it in. Now we're going to take our cotter pin, and I'll see if I can get the camera in there. As you can see, there's a top notch, and the top here goes in that notch. There's a hole in the bottom. So this, if we can get the camera on it, you just kind of got to feel it out. And there's no real way to see it. You just kind of got to do it. So you find the bottom hole, you get the top in to the top little notch there, and give it a shove. Use your choice of motivational language, which this one needed. There we go. And now at this point, if you have somebody throw that lever, that should come over. This piece here should go this direction, and the other brake piece right there should come towards you. If everything is working like that and the belt is getting tightened up, then you should be good to go. Oh, on a side note, this belt actually goes like this. I had it stuffed over here to shoot the video. When you got everything out of the way, it's easy to explain, but I'm sure that after seeing that, you probably can understand why it's hard to shoot a video on that without the motor in the way. This one here, unfortunately, did the usual thing of blowing up a Briggs & Stratton single 20 horsepower. Word of the wise, if you've got one of the AVE stickered Briggs & Strattons of 19, 20, or 21 horsepower, yeah, get in the mowing you can with it, because sooner or later you're not going to. Have a good day.